For years, the F-22 Raptor has reigned supreme in the skies, a symbol of unmatched air superiority. However, a new challenger is emerging on the horizon, one that could redefine the future of supersonic travel and even replace the legendary F-22, the X-59. SpaceX's collaboration with NASA and Lockheed Martin has brought us the X-59, a jet that doesn't just break the sound barrier, it does so with unprecedented stealth and efficiency. This futuristic marvel promises to revolutionize air travel, taking us to new heights literally without the explosive sonic boom that has long haunted supersonic flight. Let's take a deep dive into the X-59 and discover how it might change aviation forever. The sonic boom, a long-standing problem. Before we explore the marvel that is the X-59, let's talk about a problem that has plagued supersonic flight for decades, the sonic boom. Imagine cruising at supersonic speeds and suddenly boom. The shockwave generated by an aircraft traveling faster than sound creates an enormous disruptive noise. The infamous Concorde, a supersonic passenger plane, was an iconic example of this issue. Though it flew at impressive speeds, the loud boom it created made it impossible for commercial flights to go supersonic over land, leading to its eventual retirement in 2003. The solution? Quiet supersonic travel. A noble goal, but one that seemed nearly impossible due to the limitations of technology and aerodynamics at the time. Engineers from around the world attempted to tackle this issue, but the answer remained elusive until the X-59 came along. NASA's bold move, the X-59. In 2016, NASA decided to make a bold move. Instead of working on a commercial supersonic aircraft that could serve the public, they turned their focus to an experimental aircraft designed to push the boundaries of flight and sound. They awarded the contract to Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, a team known for creating some of the most advanced aircraft in history. Their mission was clear: build a supersonic plane that doesn't create a sonic boom. This was no ordinary project. They named the aircraft the X-59 Quiet Supersonic Transport. The task at hand was to design a plane that could travel faster than sound, but without disturbing the ground below with a sonic boom. The design, a new era of flight. One of the most striking features of the X-59 is its sleek, long, and slender design. The aircraft stretches an impressive 99 feet in length, with a narrow fuselage and carefully placed wings. The plane's unique shape plays a crucial role in minimizing the shockwaves that lead to sonic booms. The engineers discovered that by designing a narrow, elongated body with a specialized nose, they could spread the shockwaves over a broader area, turning the once explosive boom into a soft thump that's barely noticeable on the ground. But that's not the only innovation. The cockpit design also departs from traditional aircraft. Unlike older jets, which have large windows, the X-59 uses an advanced camera system. A 4K camera mounted on the aircraft transmits live video to a display inside the cockpit, giving the pilot all the visual data they need to navigate. There's no front-facing window, just technology that's ahead of its time. Quiet, efficient, and fast. Beyond the remarkable design, the X-59 has a number of features that make it an extraordinary aircraft. Unlike most supersonic jets, which rely on afterburners to achieve high speeds, the X-59 uses a powerful General Electric F-414 engine, the same type used in the F/A-18 fighter jet. This engine allows the X-59 to fly at speeds exceeding Mach 1 without the need for afterburners, making it more fuel-efficient and less noisy. The engine is uniquely placed on top of the fuselage rather than underneath, which helps block the engine noise from reaching the ground. This design choice further reduces the aircraft's impact on the environment and the people living below. A stealthy, modern cockpit. The X-59's cockpit is a masterpiece of modern aviation. Forget about traditional dials and switches. This aircraft features a digital cockpit with glass displays, providing the pilot with real-time data on everything from flight performance to system diagnostics. The camera-based external vision system provides a clearer view than any window could, especially when flying at high altitudes and speeds. And with the cockpit pushed far back in the fuselage, the design maximizes both stability and visibility. This innovative system improves safety, even in the most challenging weather conditions, by providing the pilot with sensors and radar to detect obstacles and other potential hazards. Stability and control at high speeds. One of the most important aspects of the X-59's design is its wings. Positioned at the back of the plane, these wings are thinner and more efficient than those found on older supersonic jets. This strategic placement reduces drag, ensuring the aircraft maintains stability and control at high speeds. Additionally, the X-59 features two vertical stabilizers at the tail, helping to keep the aircraft steady during flight and providing enhanced maneuverability. This aerodynamic setup ensures that the plane remains balanced and stable as it cruises through the sky. Overcoming challenges. The road to test flights. Despite its incredible design and innovative technology, the X-59 has faced numerous challenges. The development process was filled with setbacks, including delays in construction, testing, and funding. Originally, NASA had hoped to have the aircraft flying by 2020, but several obstacles pushed the timeline back. However, the engineers behind the X-59 didn't give up, and by 2023, Lockheed Martin proudly unveiled the aircraft as it rolled out of the hangar, ready for its first test flights. The goal now is to conduct test flights over various cities, collecting data on how the quieter supersonic sound is perceived by people on the ground. If successful, the X-59 could pave the way for the return of commercial supersonic flights, allowing people to travel faster than ever before without disturbing the peace below. The impact on future aviation. While the X-59 is primarily an experimental aircraft, its technology could have a profound impact on the future of aviation. Not only could it lead to faster commercial flights, but it could also influence the development of next-generation military jets. Imagine fighter jets that can travel at supersonic speeds without creating the disruptive noise that makes them detectable to the enemy. The possibilities are endless. One of the most exciting features of the X-59 is its potential to change aviation regulations. If the aircraft proves successful, it could lead to changes in laws that currently prohibit supersonic flight over land. The data gathered from test flights will be crucial in convincing governments to lift these restrictions, opening up the skies to faster, more efficient air travel. Replacing the F-22 Raptor. Now, you may be wondering, could the X-59 truly replace the iconic F-22 Raptor, one of the most advanced fighter jets ever built? The F-22, which entered service in 2005, was designed to be the ultimate air superiority fighter. Its stealth technology, incredible speed, and maneuverability made it a formidable force in the sky. However, as technology continues to advance, so too does the need for even more powerful and efficient aircraft. The F-22 has faced several challenges, including its high cost, limited production, and expensive maintenance. Additionally, its role as a fighter jet, designed primarily for air superiority, has made it less versatile compared to newer aircraft like the F-35, which can handle a wider range of missions. With the X-59, we're seeing a shift toward the future of aviation, one that blends speed, efficiency, and stealth in ways never before possible. While the X-59 isn't specifically built for combat, the lessons learned from its development will undoubtedly shape the next generation of military aircraft, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in air combat. And there you have it, folks. The X-59 is a true game-changer in the world of aviation, and we're just getting started. If you're as excited about the future of supersonic flight as we are, don't forget to smash that like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for soaring with us today, and we'll catch you on the next one, where the sky's the limit.